So, and when his size is so small and his friend grasshopper is so big.
Okay. Come on. Grasshopper.
When there's a wind coming, he can blow and his tummy hurt so much.
Okay.
And when listen, we want to be normal size again. When you close his eyes, his size is so big again, and grasshopper is so small. And that's the end.
Okay. Come. Grasshopper.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
6, 7.
Yes,
Hmm.
like a brain rock. 6, 7.
Okay, next. Balloons.
Balloon.
Go. Ito na. 1.
Yummy. Nanay, ang sarap ng binili mo.
Okay.
Sarap.
Kami na.
Meron
1.
ka pang madaming ganyan.
Okay.
Na
Meron.
bubble gum.
Basta tatapusin mo lahat ng ano mo, ha? Okay, come on.
Nanay, dapat.
1.
Nanay, wait lang. I'm gonna tell you something.
What?
Dapat inano natin at tayo
Mamaya na. Mamaya na.
Ito favorite ko yun
Tapos na yun.
ito.
Wala. Next. Ito susunod. Oh, come on. Bilisan mo.
Wala pang sandal.
Mamaya lalagyan mo ng name. Come on. Unahin mo na to. Bilisan mo mag-count. Count mo na yung balloons. Very fast. Oh, come on, count. Ito.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Come on. Kamusta ka sa school?
Okay lang.
Okay lang po.
Okay.
Next. Come on, count. Is it a pig? Yes.
No.
1.
No, it's not a pig.
Oh, come on.
It's
1.
a butterfly.
1. Ito.
Like
1.
this.
This one na.
Okay.
Faster. Ito.
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Next. Fly.
This is a rainbow.
1.
This is a rainbow, Mom.
Okay. 1.
1. Ikaw naman.
2.
3,
Bilisan mo.
4, 5, 6, 7.
6, 7. Lagay mo 7. Next. Flower.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
What's 9?
Parang lollipop.
Oh, like this. I mean like this?
Yes. Next.
Oh, it's like a lollipop.
Yes. Next. Kitten. Ay, hindi ko yun, no?
This is a lollipop.
Again, marahin mo.
Ba't nabawin mo na? Lahat.
Next.
Na, tiriri namin, garay.
1.
Ito na.
1.
Ito lang gagawin ko, dalawa lang.
Hindi, tatapusin natin.
Hmm.
Ang game. 1. Count
Hindi
na.
yung iba sa umaga.
Hindi lang umaga kasi may pasok si nanay. Let's count. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Ang bilis-bilis mo nga eh.